Hello everyone, I'm Christine Phillips from Help Yourself and welcome to my detox kitchen. Well, today I am going to share with you a family favorite in this house. It is a crunchy peanut butter salad packed with antioxidants. You can add chicken to it. It's crunchy, it's colorful, and it's really, really delicious and healthy. All right, so let's start. I have made some rice noodles over here. Rice noodles are gluten-free. And I'm actually going to do this, show you as well how you can turn this into a lovely lunchbox idea to take to school as well. And you can make them in advance. So we'll put on the base right now and I'll just layer it up so you can see. All right, so the first thing we're going to add to this is I've got some spiralized zucchini. Now what's great about this recipe is you can actually pre-do most of this, pop it into your fridge, and it's fantastic for menu planning. There we go. You know, courgettes packed with fiber, lots of vitamin B, just really healthy and good for you. You don't even need the rice noodles, you can just use the spiralized courgettes. The next color we're going to do is our lovely vitamin A, which is our carrots. I'm gonna pop that in, and again into our jar. Loaded with vitamin A, great for your eyes, great for your skin as well. The next thing is our red cabbage. Such a lovely spring salad. So get those summer vibes going. Right, we're gonna layer that one up, push it all down. And then the next thing will be our sprouts. Also really nice. Just adds more crunch, more nutrition, really nice. Right, I'm gonna pop those in. Then the next thing I'm gonna put is a few peppers. We're going to thinly slice our peppers. Again, antioxidant rich, lots of vitamin A, vitamin C, really good for you. And we're just gonna do them into little portions like that. So I'll lay those up into my jar. There we go. And into my salad. And then the next thing is a little bit of bok choy. We're gonna thinly slice that, and it gives a little bit of that Asian vibe to it, which I also enjoy. Right. Okay, we're gonna pop that in. Gorgeous. And yeah, there we go. So as you can see, this is just full of life and full of color. The next thing we want to do is we're going to make a delicious dressing. Now this is basically the crowd pleaser. Eating this on its own, not that fab, but when you add an amazing dressing to it, that's when it changes the entire dish and turns it into a taste sensation. First things is we're going to put some fresh lime juice in, all right? There we go, nice generous helping of that. And then we've got peanut butter. Now, if anyone in your family is allergic to peanuts, then you can use cashew or almond nut butter. It will be equally as delicious, so you can just switch things around. There we go. And I use the sugar-free peanut butter as well. Now we've got a really generous amount of garlic, good for immune system, and then a nice generous amount of fresh ginger. And that also gives a lovely little zing as well, and also fantastic for your immune system. The next thing is a little bit of soy sauce, all right? You can use tamari if you'd like to keep it gluten-free. We've got a little bit of maple syrup, a little dash of that, and we've got some rice vinegar. Add that in. Right, and then the last ingredient, which actually gives a little bit of a zing, is some sriracha. All right, and this is like really, really hot peppers. But with this whole combination, it's not burny, so don't think it's too spicy. Now, if you really want a zing, then you can add a little bit more fresh chili to it as well. Right, and now we're just gonna actually shake this up. To thin it down, you can actually use a little bit of water as well. So if you find the mixture is very, very thick, and you can use a blender to mix it up if the peanut butter is a little bit stuck. All right. Okay, great. So now we're just gonna pour this over. How's that? Soda mine. Okay, and we're gonna mix it up with my fork. Okay. And you get all these things combined here. And then I'm gonna put it onto your lovely little platter. Now you can add chicken to this, already cooked chicken. You could add sliced beef if you want to, whatever you prefer. And you can even put a little bit of chopped up herbs like basil would go really, really well with this dish. It's crunchy, it's gluten-free, and it's super, super healthy. And it is such a favorite in my house. I promise you, when you try it, you're going to love it. So we're going to do that. And then, which really adds the best part, is putting peanuts on top. And we just put a nice little handful of the peanuts on top. And in our salad jar, we're going to pop our peanuts on the top of that. And then when you make it, just put your salad dressing into a little container and then pop it on top and put your lid on. And then you have already done salad. So when you do this for school or for work, you wouldn't pour the salad dressing on straight away. Otherwise, it might become a little bit soggy. You would only add the salad dressing just before you eat it. So enjoy that. That is so divine. And then this is our beautiful little salad. Right, and I'm just gonna finish it off with a pretty little flower, edible flower, obviously not necessary. Well, that is it. It's a delicious, crunchy salad. You can add sprouts to it. You can add things like baby corn or mange tout to it as well. If you'd like to get this recipe, then go onto my website, which is healthyourself.co.za, and you can download it from there. I hope you enjoyed that, and let your family try it out. Anyway, that's it from me. Stay healthy.